This is a greenhouse to grow strawberries. An adult hen-sized drone is flying inside the greenhouse. The wind caused by the wings of the flying drone makes the leaves and flowers of the strawberries rustle gently. The wind carries the pollen from the stamens of strawberry flowers to the stigma of the pistil. The remote-controlled pollinating drone replaces bees in fertilizing the strawberry flowers.
가장 최적화된 인공 수중의 방법을 찾기 위해서 비행 고도와 비행 속도를 조절해서 여러 단계로 실험을 하고 있습니다.
The new method provides balanced insemination in strawberry farming and helps reduce poor quality production by more than 30%.
네, 날씨가 추워지면 벌이 활동을 안 해서 수정이 잘 안 됩니다. 그래서 그 벌 대신 드론이 일을 해줌으로 해서 수정이 잘 될 거라고 생각하고.
A total of 12 strawberry greenhouses in South Korea's southeastern county of Hadong are using drones for artificial insemination for the first time in the country. The county plans to expand the use of fertilization drones in its strawberry farms in accordance with the results of the trial farming.